Merry Christmas, everybody.
Hey, Santo, your time.
Radio time.
Hey, Santo, your time.
You're listening to Radio time. Hello and welcome to week 12 of Radio Kai. This week we are playing all your my favourite from Play to Band-Aid.
Also, we are packed up with our usual features, such as Mystery Voice, where you have to guess 5 different voices and we play them out for you. Celebrity Birthdays, this is Oshan's feature, as he says who's having a birthday. And Ethan with his travel feature, and he will get you from A to B. Also, we got Max, Ethan and Peter with news and sports. This week, Max and Peter are going to be talking about F1 updates. And also we have our interview as well. Plus, as a bonus, there is also a special surprise coming up in later of the show. We hope you're looking forward to that. And this week's special guest is Miss Dawn Hoban from Kent Pedwar.
So let's start off with 1984 classic from Wham with Last Christmas. Enjoy.
This year to set me
hope you all enjoyed that, and that was Last Christmas there by Wham from 1984. Now we are moving on to the Mystery Voice, where we play out 5 different voices, and you have to guess which voices they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Voice. Mystery Voice.
Here's voice number 1 for this week.
Yeah, I wouldn't call a lot of people that are doing jazz singers, you know what I mean? My albums are kind of straight jazz, hip-hop, cross. There is no blues or folk, you know what I mean? It's just a straight jazz, hip-hop album, and a lot of the stuff out it is not heartfelt, you know, and I just wanted to write music that was emotional and that...
Here's the second mystery voice of the week.
I'm a craftsman, so I craft my records with great care and great repetition and adding and subtracting until it's right.
Voice number 3 for this week.
If you are an out-of-work actor, it's a brilliant place to hang out because it's quite cheap, the sun's shining, and you're going to bump into famous people anywhere you go. Like when I was there, I went to the Galaxy game, and Galaxy, not the chocolate, the football team.
Here's the 4th voice for this week.
Well, it's not easy, of course. Not to speak serious, it's not easy. I know 50% they approach just for interesting. It's normal, not just me, but all the people who are famous, they have this kind of problems. But in another way, I think I'm a confidence guy. I'm told I have all teeth. So I have a nice body. So I think sometimes the other 50% it's because, you know.
And here's our 5th and final voice for this week.
I remember Jason on Top of the Pops, and I remember it for one reason, and that's that I was trying to be a pop star at the time, and it felt like that's who I want to be. I didn't want to be him. I wanted to do what he was doing.
We hope you got the voices of that. We are now playing the next Here Now. Do You Know It's Christmas by Band-Aid. This is the charity song written by Bob Leno and Miss Julie. We raised money for the 1985 family in Angola.
It's Christmas time. There's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time, we let in light and we banish shade. And in our world of plenty, we can spread a smile of joy. Throw your arms around the world at Christmas time. But say a prayer, pray for the other ones at Christmas
That was Do They Know It's Christmas by Band Aid. Now we got the birthdays.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Britney Spears is a pop singer and she is 43 years old. And she is her first two albums, Baby One More Time and Oops, I Did It Again, both sold over 20 million copies worldwide. She released another 6 albums from 2001 to 2003 and starred in her feature film debut Crossroads in 2002. Before she became a pop star, she was rejected after auditioning for the 90s revamp of the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse and moved with her mother to New York to enroll at the Professional Performing Arts School. Second birthday this week is Charlie Puth is a pop singer and he is 33 years old and he is a pop star who rose to worldwide fame for co-writing, co-producing and being featured in the song See You Again, released by Wiz Khalifa. The song earned him from Grammy nomination. His other major hits include Attention, One Call Away and We Don't Talk Anymore, featuring Selena Gomez. He is from New Jersey and attended Berklee College of Music on a full scholarship. He has a brother named Stefan and a sister named Michaela. His parents are Charles and Deborah Puth. He briefly dated actor Halston Sage in 2008, when he dated Charlotte Lawrence in 2009. He began dating Brooke Johnson in December 2020. He proposed to her in September 2023, and they were married a year later in September 2024. Corey Taylor is a metal singer, and he is big age, 50 years old, and he is heavy metal singer known best as the lead vocalist of Slipknot and Stone Sour. He was joined in Slipknot by drummer Sean Cran, guitarist Mick Thomas and Jim Root, drummer Chris Fern, DJ Sid Wilson and keyboardist Craig Johnston. Before fame, he struggled with a drug addiction as a teenager. His grandmother took him in and helped support and foster his pursuit of a musical career. Johnny Manziel is a football player and he is 31 years old. Former star Texas A&M quarterback nicknamed Johnny Football, who became the first freshman in history to win the Heisman Trophy in 2012. He was selected 2022 overall in the 2004 NFL draft by Cleveland Browns, and he signed a 4-year, £8.25 million contract with the Browns in June 2004. Before fame, he was named the Senior Athlete of the Year by the National High School Coaches Association after a standout campaign at Tivy High School. And he is an American football player. I hope you got nice birthday. The next song is Snow is Falling by Shakin' Stevens.
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas. everyone. Time for parties and celebrations. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Room is swaying, records playing, all the old songs we love to hear. All I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Snow is falling, all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling, all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling, all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, snow is falling, all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ooh, Merry Christmas, everyone.
That is Merry Christmas Everyone by Shakin' Stevens. Now we got the travel feature. Here is our travelling feature with Ethan. Hey everyone, here's Great American Railroad Journeys on this travel feature. We're going from New York City to New Orleans. Starting in New York City itself, take the Amtrak Crescent to New Orleans. Now we're shifting things a bit, as it's called Great American Railroad Journeys. We're going back up to 100 years ago. The Southern Railways Crescent Limited. The RPO and the locomotive swapped at DC, then Atlanta, then Montgomery, which would be 3 times, well, 4 counting the Western of Alabama Railroad. But in the end, it's just an Amtrak train, so it's not having the same comfort as you had 100 years earlier. Once at New Orleans, feel glad that you took a trip. The entire trip will take you 31 hours and 58 minutes and will cost £229 in today's money, or £4.46 in 1925 money. Join me next week for another Great American Railroad Journey. The next song is Driving Home for Christmas by Chris Ree, released in 1986. Ree's wife drove him in a Mini.
Christmas, yeah. Well, I'm moving down that line, and it's been so long, but I will be there. I sing this song to pass the time away, driving in my car, driving home for Christmas. It's gonna take some time, but I'll get there. Top to toe in tailbacks. Oh, I got red lights all around, but soon there'll be a freeway, yeah. Get my feet on holy ground. So I'll sing for you, though you can't hear me when I get through, and feel you near me. I'm driving home for Christmas, driving home for Christmas, with 1,000 memories. I take a look at the driver next to me. He's just the same, just the same. Top to toe in tailbacks. Oh, I got red lights all around. I'm driving home for Christmas, yeah. Get my feet on holy ground. So I sing for you, though you can't hear me when I get through. Go and feel you near me, driving in my car, driving home for Christmas, driving home for Christmas, with 1,000 memories. I take a look at the driver next to me. He's just the same. Driving home, driving home, driving home for Christmas.
That was Driving Home Christmas by Victoria. Now we got Guess the Year.
Guess the year. Developer Woody. Where we say 5 facts about the year, and you have to guess which year it is.
The biggest movie of this year was Billy Jack.
And in August of this year, the first ever microspec was invented in August of this year.
It is also the year that the track is formed. It was Ethan's request for Guest the Year this week.
And the biggest UK hit of this year was My Sweet Lord by the Quiet Beatle, George Harrison. And also it was a year that the Quarter Pounder burger from McDonald's was introduced in the USA.
Hope you got the year of that. The next song is Santa Coming to Town. Springsteen.
It's all cold down along the beach, and the wind's whipping down the boardwalk. Hey, Dan! Hey, man! You guys know what time of year it is? What time? What? Oh, Christmas time. You guys guys all been good and practicing real hard. Yeah. Clients, you've been rehearsing real hard now. So Santa, bring you a new saxophone, right? Everybody out there been good or what? Oh, that's not many. You guys are in trouble out here. And you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice. He's gonna find out who's naughty and nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. You better be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not try. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Ho, 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 ho. He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good. You better be good for goodness sake. You better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. 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 Santa Claus is
That was Bruce Springsteen here with Santa Claus is coming to town. Next we got news around the school.
News from around the school.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the school. First up, Kate Pedwa has some lovely sea glass jars for sale. Look out for Lorraine coming to a class near you. We welcome back Mrs. Thomas from Canada from her hockey adventure in New Zealand. It's Ian's from Kate Ina's last day on Wednesday. We're now going to Conrath Pedwa as James Hennessy is enjoying his holiday in Barbados. Have fun there. And Cafe Dragons are now getting out their Yorkshire pudding wraps. To me, it counts as a brew, which is a Yorkshire pudding brew. And that's all the latest updates. Now it's Blue Christmas by Elvis Presley.
I'll have a blue Christmas oceans of red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I have a blue, 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 blue Christmas. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I have a blue, 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 blue Christmas.
Okay, so we just had the Blue Christmas there by Elvis Presley here on Radio Kite. Now we are moving on to the Guess a Year and Mystery Voice answers for this week. If you got our year for this week correctly, the year was 1971. And now here's Golan with the Mystery Voice answers for this week.
So, our voice for this week were Amy Winehouse, Arthur Gundo, Dave Williams, Naldo, and Gary Barlow. The next song is Merry Christmas Everybody by Slade.
Sleigh.
that was Merry Xmas Everyone by Slade. Now here's the latest of what's going on in the world.
News around the world.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with some news from around the world. First up, the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, France has been restored after a fire 5 years ago. South Korea's president is in a huge panic after trying to do martial law, but that backfired. And finally, for the first time ever, C&O, the Chesapeake and Ohio J3A Greenbrier steam locomotive 614, its restoration is underway, partaken by a new custodian firm. My opinion on this, and to those that were going to restore it, keep it in the Greenbrier Presidential Express paint scheme. I like it that way. Here's Max and Peter with the sports updates.
My name's Max.
Hi, I'm Peter. With the focus to stock news, Neo Facebook store, effort.
Max Verstappen won 4 titles.
Lewis Hamilton is a cost to whole longer when he is to cross the after into 1995. The 90-year-old working asked to for the and said, I am Bill Hagen. I won the British Junction, and one day I want to be racing your car. The morning, the sun, the journey in 1985, the question is Uncle King, the final race band who Hamilton Junction before this, the 27th, 2012, the theory, the 2013. That's it, the stock news. Next week, the football, the guys away.
Goodbye from Max, and how you like sport news.
Next song, Jingle Rocks.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air. What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle in the jingling feet. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell.
was Bobby Helms there with Jungle Ball Rocky on Radio Caribe. Unfortunately, Miss Gordon can't be here with us this week for her interview. But instead, our special guest this week is Ellen from Cynradd Pedwar.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Hello, Ellen. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you.
Hello, Alan.
Hello, Alan.
Konnichiwa, Ella. No. How many years have you worked in Caibe for?
Well, I started in Caibe in 2013.
Wow.
So that was when we were in the old school, where, what was it now? Is it Lidl? By Lidl?
Yeah.
So yes, is that 11 years?
Wow. How was it like at the old school?
Well, it was a lot smaller.
Yeah.
But because we were close to all the shops, we could go out to the shops for walks, but it was a lot smaller, so I do like this school better.
Now, if we want to get to the shops, it's much easier to get a bus.
Well, yes, that's true, and we go to gymnastics as well.
Yeah.
We go on the bus to gymnastics, so that's fun.
What is your favourite Christmas dinner?
Well, for starters, I like to have prawn cocktail usually, and then, of course, turkey.
Ooh, classic, yeah, mate.
Roast potatoes and mashed potatoes and all the veg. I don't like parsnips, though. And I will only eat sprouts at Christmas time.
I have Yorkshire puddings for my Christmas dinner.
Oh.
But
Same
no,
here.
Yeah.
How could I forget the Yorkshire pudding? That's my favourite bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even though I do make brews out of it.
What is your favourite childhood memory?
Oh, well, I have lots of nice memories. So I lived in Llanddesan, so it was a very nice, quiet area. So just going out with my family. I had a brother and a sister. And yes, just spending time with family, going for days out, and yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have any favourite childhood memories?
I go to Manchester sometimes with my uncles, and I go to Dublin as well.
I've been to Blackpool twice in a row.
Wow.
Wow. What did you do in Blackpool?
Oh, went up the Blackpool Tower, go and see the illuminations, and went on the trams, the heritage trams.
Going out with my dad.
To where?
Cinema.
Which movie do you like watching in the cinema?
Deadpool.
My favourite childhood memory is going out for afternoon tea in Oriel Morn with my family.
What type of food do you have?
We got sandwiches, we had sausage roll, pork pies, lots
Bit
of
like the
cakes.
buffet, them boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, nice.
What do you like doing outside of school?
Oh, well, I have two young boys. So my eldest is called Tommy, and he's 5.
Yeah.
And my youngest is called Johan, and he's 1 on Saturday.
Wow.
So we just like going for days out, going to the beach, going shopping, and visiting family. We have lots of fun.
Have you been to see any live concerts recently?
Ooh, I haven't been recently, but the most recent one I went to was Stereophonics, and they were amazing live. Do you like Stereophonics?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were really,
They sung Have
really
a Nice
good.
Day and songs like that, yeah?
Yeah.
That's the one, yeah.
Yeah.
And Kelly from here is part of it.
Where did you work before Caibe?
Well, when I started in Caibe, I was 20 years old. So after I finished college, I worked in a few primary schools, but Caibe is where I've been the longest and where I enjoy the most.
What type of things do you do here in Caibe?
Well, in Cynradd Pedwar, we play. So we go to gymnastics once a week, and we go shopping, and we like to go to the park. So we do lots of fun stuff in Cynradd Pedwar.
Would you rather to be with Islin or Mr. Hughes for one day, and why?
Well, that's a very tough question.
Yeah.
I'm very good friends with Islin, but I think if I spent all day with him, I think he would do nothing but talk. So, I think I would pick Mr. Hughes. so I could get to know him a bit better, maybe.
Yeah.
Because I know everything about Islwyn already. I don't need to know any more about him.
Yeah, Islwyn can be a bit talkative.
Our next question for you here is, what is your favourite food and why?
Oh, I think I would have to pick a curry, just because I like spicy food. Do you like curries?
Yeah.
Yeah. Spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the Chinese.
You don't like spicy food?
Spicy, the better.
Oh, I
Yeah.
agree. I agree.
And we get curry from the Chinese, don't we?
Oh, it is nice from the Chinese.
Yeah.
Spicier, the more my mouth burns.
Flavour curry do you like?
Well, I like to try different curries, but the last one I had was a Rogan Josh. So it's like a spicy, tomato-y curry. It's nice.
And finally, which Christmas song do you want to finish off this week's show with?
Oh, well, I like all Christmas songs, but I think I will go for Rocking Around the Christmas Tree.
That's a good choice, isn't it, boys?
Yeah, that's a great choice.
Okay, so we are going to finish off this week's edition of Radio Cab with Rocking Around the Christmas Tree. Miranda Lee, thank you, Ellen, for interviewing us this week.
Well, thank you very much for having me, and I've only asked you to interview me about 100 times.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
So we are going to go now, and we'll see you for week 13 of Radio Cab. Bye for now.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Radio Cab.